Good day to you. A new day. Yes, it is a new day. We thank God for yesterday. How was it? The exercise? The exercise on introduction of percentages. Did you try your hands on there? I hope you did. I surely hope you did. You can only get better with exercises. So now we want to go into the correction to those exercises. Correction to exercise on percentages 1. Okay. The number 1 question requested that you should complete the empty spaces. You had number 1, A, B, and C. You were requested to complete the empty spaces. For number 1A, 36% means 36 out of 100. I hope you remember that percent means out of 100. So 36% means 36 out of 100, which is the same thing as 36 over 100. 36 over 100. 1B, 60% means 60 out of 100, which equals 60 over 100. 100% means 100 out of 100. If we are taking all the 100 out of 100, that means we are taking the whole, which is equal to 1. But I don't want to digress here. I don't want to take us into reducing to the lowest term here. I hope we know it. But let's just limit this lesson to representing percentages as common fractions. So 100% means 100 out of 100, which is equal to 100 over 100. Number 2 question requested that you should represent as common fraction and as percentages. So 2A, 6 out of 100 equals 6 over 100, which equals 6%. 2B, 42 out of 100 equals 42 over 100, which is equal to 42%. 2C, 50 out of 100 equals 50 over 100, which equals 50%. The last on number 2, number 2D says 75 out of 100. This equals 75 over 100, which equals 75%. I hope you are taking your own exercise now. I believe you have gotten up to the 2D already. That is 7 out of 7. 1A, B, and C, 2A, B, C, and D. You have 7 already. That is 7. So if you have gotten up to 2D, that means you have gotten 7 out of 7. You can applaud yourself. Yes, the last question we have here is number 3. Number 3A, 30% of the class are girls. This means 30 out of every 100 pupils are girls. You remember that percent means out of 100. So every 30 out of every 100 pupils in the class are girls. So if we have 100 pupils in the class, 30 of them are surely girls. The workers get 11% increase in their salaries. This means an increase of 11 naira for every 100 naira of their salaries. So the answer for 3B is 11 naira. 11 out of every 100 naira. 11 naira out of every 100 naira. That is 11% increase. And C, 98 out of every 100 pupils that sat for the examination passed. This means 98% of the pupils passed. We know that 98 out of 100 is 98%. So, if 98 out of every 100 pupils that sat for the examination passed, this means 98% of the pupils passed. So, in all, we have had 10 questions. 1 A, B, C, 2 A, B, C, D, and 3 A, B, and C. So if you have gotten everything, that means you can score yourself 10 over 10. You have gotten 10 out of 10. You have gotten 100%. Applaud yourself. I'll see you very soon as we proceed on the topic percentage.